Welcome to this tutorial on creating a component in Figma. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Figma website. When the homepage loads, you will notice its clean layout designed to help you start your creative work efficiently and effectively. This is your starting point where you will launch the tool that enables you to bring your design ideas to life. Once you are on the Figma website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you will find an option labeled Log In. Clicking on this option is your first step toward accessing your personal workspace, where you can manage and edit your design projects. The placement of this option is intentional, making it easily accessible as you begin your workflow. After selecting Login, the next action is to choose the method to enter your account. You will see a button that says Continue with Google. This option is designed to simplify the login process by utilizing your existing Google credentials. By clicking this button, you take advantage of a secure and familiar method, streamlining your access without the hassle of remembering additional login details. Following your selection to continue with Google, you will be presented with a list of available accounts associated with your Google credentials. At this point, carefully choose the account that you typically use for your design work. This selection ensures that you have a consistent experience across all your projects and that your work is safely stored and synchronized with your account. Once you have successfully logged in, your next step is to open your project. To do this, navigate to the project workspace hosted on a site like figma.com. Although the project may have a generic title such as test project in this context, it serves the purpose of providing a practical environment where you can apply what you have learned. Opening the project is essential because it is where you will see your elements and begin the process of creating a reusable component. Now that your project is open, move on to the design elements that you wish to convert into a component. Take a moment to carefully review the elements on your screen. Using your mouse or keyboard, highlight the parts of your design that you want to include in the new component. This step is crucial because it defines what will be grouped together and reused later in your design process. Make sure your selection is precise to avoid including any unintended elements. Once you have highlighted the desired elements, the final step is to press the Ctrl plus Alt plus K keys on your keyboard. This key combination is an instruction to Figma, prompting it to convert your highlighted elements into a component. Components created in Figma can help you maintain consistency across your designs and make updating shared elements much simpler, saving you time in the long run. By following these instructions, you will have successfully created a component in Figma. This process not only enhances your efficiency, but also deepens your understanding of the design tool, enabling you to create sophisticated and reusable design elements. Enjoy exploring Figma and the many creative possibilities it offers as you continue to refine your design projects.